Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color Bluey as Santa and Bingo as a reindeer step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Bluey, starting with his nose like this. Then, I'll draw his eyes with a big circle on the outside and a small circle inside. Next, I'll draw his open mouth. Then, I add his eyebrows like this. He's wearing a Santa hat. After that, I'll draw his body. He's dressed in Santa's outfit. Now, I'll draw his legs like this. He's jumping. He looks so happy. Next to him, I'll draw Bingo. She's wearing a reindeer outfit with a big red nose. Then I'll draw her two eyes like this. On her head, she's wearing reindeer antlers. I'll draw her two ears like this. Now I'll draw Bingo's hands and then her body. Finally, I'll draw her legs and her tail. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's color together. First, I use red to color Bingo's nose. And I color Bluey's outfit red too. Next, I'll use sky blue to color Bluey's face. I'll also color his tail and his legs sky blue. Then I'll use this dark blue marker to color this pack. use cream for Bluey's mouth. Then I'll use light brown to color Bingo's face. Now cream. And dark green. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!